How to undo in Adobe Acrobat. Ever been working on Adobe Acrobat and accidentally deleted something or maybe a change you didn't mean to? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Luckily, Adobe Acrobat has super handy undo feature to save the day. So now you can undo in Adobe Acrobat. It's actually really simple. The quickest way is to use the keyboard shortcut on the window. Just press on Ctrl and Z like this. Give it a try now. You will see your last action reverse just like the magic. Alternatively, if you prefer using the mouse, you can also use this arrow right over here which says on undo. Simply tap on it and you can undo the process too. And the process is same. And what if you undo too much? No problem, Adobe also have redo. The shortcut for redo is Ctrl Y on the Windows or Command Ctrl Y or Command plus Shift plus Z on Mac. See, undoing and redoing in Adobe Acrobat is a breeze. Now you can experiment, edit without the fear. Go ahead and give it a practice run. You will be undoing mistakes like a pro in no time. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.